Today is a historic day. 25th July 2026 should be remembered in the history books. A day the Constitution of India won. A day democracy won. Today is a day where the voices that were suppressed have risen. The voiceless have been heard. It's a victory for each and every youth. No one can take credit of this other than the youth of India. I congratulate the Gen Z and the young blood of India for such a fight against this corrupt dictatorship government. We have a long way to go. It's a small victory in a larger context. The education system has been crumbling. It has crumbled. Resignation of a single person will not get the education back overnight. We have to work day in, day night against this government which does not listen, which does not allow the voices to be heard. As Ashadi Ekadashi, a day that each and every Hindu brethren, Ange Bhau Boin, celebrates. On such an auspicious day, to get such a huge victory shows that we are a country that lives in faith, that lives together. It's a secular country. It's a country where, as a community, we all live together. I want to thank and wish each and every youth of India for coming out and fighting what couldn't be done for so many years. Today, the youth of India has shown the dictators sitting on powerful chairs that the country cannot be run sitting on a chair in an AC room. If the youth get together, the legs of the chair will be chopped. So congratulations to the youth.